Good morning, learners. In this video lecture, we establish some results. We prove it one by one. So, suppose that L is a finite field extension of K and F is an intermediary field. Means L is a superset of F and F is a superset of K. Then this result holds. So, to prove this, we consider this result. One minute. So to prove this result, let sigma be any embedding of K into K bar, where K bar is algebraically closed. Suppose that sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma I be the family of distinct extensions of sigma 2 F. By previous result, one may easily observe that, okay, by this theorem, since F is a finite extension of K, therefore, number of extensions of sigma from F into K will be degree of F over K. Yes. Okay. So now for each I, suppose that ta ij be the family of distinct extensions of sigma I to L. So after that extensions of F to K to L will be the degree of L over Fs. So each sigma I has degree of L over Fs extensions. This follows from this. Since sigma I is a embedding of F into K, and then number of embeddings of L into K bar will be degree LFS. So each sigma I has degree of L over Fs extensions to embedding of L into K bar. But observe that sigma has degree of F over Ks extensions, and for each extension we have degree of L over Fs extension. It means here are for each ta, for each sigma I there are these extensions, and total number of members is degree of F over Ks. Therefore, number of extensions of sigma from sigma to L will be the product of this and this. But number of extensions of sigma to L is called the degree of separability of L over K. So we have degree of L over Ks is equal to degree of L over F into degree of F over K. Okay. So we now come to the next result. This is most important result of separability. Let L be a finite extension of K. Then L is a separable extension of K if and only if degree of separability of L over K is the degree of L over K. We proved this result by induction on the degree of L over K. Suppose the degree of L over K is 1. It means L is K itself. So there is only one extension. It means nothing to do. Suppose the degree of L over K is n, and suppose that result is true for all extensions whose degree less than. Now, assume that L be a separable extension of K. By definition of separability, every element of L will be separable. Now consider an element which belongs to L but not in K. Now since L is separable, therefore the element A will be separable over A. Suppose that Px is a minimal polynomial of A. Then we have observed that Px is suppose that Px is a minimal polynomial of A. By definition of separable element, its minimal polynomial will be separable. So Px is separable. Now by definition of separability of irreducible polynomial, all its roots are distinct. So all the roots of Px are distinct. Now observe that we have discussed this result. Number of K embeddings of K into K bar is exactly degree of K over K. Why? Because all the roots of Px are distinct. So for convenience, we just remind this result. This is the result. Number of K embeddings of K into K bar is degree of K over K if and only if Px is separable. So we now come to the proof. Since Px is separable, therefore degree of separability of K over K will be degree of K over K. Now we have a tower of field. In previous proposition we have observed that now since L is separable over K, therefore L will be separable over K. We have discussed this result. Now L is separable over Ka. So also observe the degree of L over Ka will be less than the degree of L over K. Why? Because by transitivity of field extensions, degree of L over K is equal to degree of L over K into degree of K over K. So now observe that K is not K. It means this quantity is greater than 1. So this suggests us to say that this quantity is less than degree of L over K. So we have degree of L over K is less than degree L over K. Now by induction hypothesis, since the degree of L over Ka is less than this, therefore degree of separability of L over Ka will be degree of this, because we have assumed that this result is true for all extensions whose degree less than degree of L over K. So this happens. Now observe that by transitivity of separability of degree, we have observed that degree of L over Ks is equal to degree of L over Ks into degree of K over Ks. Now we have observed that this is degree of K over K and this is also degree of L over K, and product of this is degree of L over K. This will hold because of the transitivity of degree of field extensions. So we have degree of L over Ks is equal to degree of L over K. Okay. Now conversely suppose that this result is suppose that degree of separability is same as the degree of L over K. Our goal is L is a separable extension. Means we have to prove that every element of L is separable. So for this purpose we assume that A belongs to L. Now to A belongs to L, then its minimal so to prove A is separable, it is sufficient to prove that its minimal polynomial is separable. Why? Because it is the definition of separable element. Element is separable if its minimal polynomial is separable. So suppose that Px is minimal polynomial of A. So to prove A is separable, it is sufficient to prove that Px is separable. So by assumption, it is sufficient to prove that degree of k over k s is degree of k over k. Okay, because so to prove this, suppose that this is not true. Uh, Indeed, remember that degree of separability of L over K is always less than or equal to degree of L over K. This is the result. So suppose the degree of separability of K over K is less than degree of K over K. Now observe that by the transitivity of separability, degree of L over Ks is equal to degree of L over K into degree of K over Ks. But degree of L over Ks is less than or equal to degree of L over K. You may follow the result. This result is given in the book Algebra by Serge Lang. So now this quantity is less than or equal to this, therefore this product will be less than or equal to this. Now as we have assumed that degree of k over k s is always than or equal to degree of k over k. So this is less than this, and this quantity is less than this. Therefore product of this will be less than degree of L over k into degree of k over k. Why? Because this is less than this is less than this. So their product will be less than this. But by transitivity of field extension, this can be written as degree of L over k. It means we have observed that degree of L over k s is less than degree of L over k. This is a contradiction because we have assumed that degree of L over Ks is same as the degree of L over K. So this suggests us that our assumption is wrong. It means L is separable. So we have proved this. In the next video, I give this result as an exercise for learners. If L is a finite separable extension of F and F is a finite separable extension of K, then L is a separable extension of K. Means separability is a is transitive. So we leave it as an exercise for you. It is straightforward. You may follow this proof and you have observed it easily. Okay. We also leave the separable closure for for you as a exercise. In next video, we will discuss some more results about perfect field and others. Thank you.